Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and to my new subscribers, thank you and welcome. Alright, so today it's going to be a short video. I'm going to just basically go over some of the problems that I had with my last video. Like, editing wise, I needed to edit out some of the swear words that I did in the moment, and I had to figure it out kind of on my own. I looked it up a little bit, but I was able to figure it out eventually. So I decided to do one for you guys out there just in case you haven't seen some of the videos. So let's get started. So this is obviously my news video. Go ahead and check it out if you haven't. It's very suspenseful. I'll be honest, I was very scared through a lot of it. But anyways, basically what we're doing is we're going to make a bleep over a word, over a swear word, right? That we don't want it to say. Alright, so I think I have one right here. Oh shit, alright. Yeah, right there. Alright, so we'll go back here. Alright. Yeah. So it's right here, right? Alright, so I've already gotten a censorship beep, right? So I don't know if you can hear it. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But basically we're gonna put this over the swear word. Alright. But anyways, what we first do, we need to cut out that noise. Instead of like putting it over, we're gonna cut it out when we put a beep in its place. So we're gonna come down over here to this blade edit mode. You can press B. We're gonna click on that, right? And we already know this is where this is where I say shit, right? So we're just going to cut it right there, right? We're just gonna put a cut right there. We're gonna go a little bit further, right there, and we're gonna put a cut right here. So now if I move this, you can see how it kind of like cuts this whole little these frames out, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go onto it and we're gonna right click. We're gonna go to link clips, and boom, there we go. Now we're gonna go back to selection mode. We'll press A. We're gonna click off of that, click onto just the noise, right? Just the sound. We're gonna cut it. So you see how it's gone, and the film is still here, but the sound is gone. Alright, that's what we want. Now we're gonna come up to here and we're gonna grab our censorship beep, which you can get offline. I'll put it in the link below so you guys can use it, or like find different ones. There's all sorts of different ones that you can use. Alright, so notice how there's a line right here. It kind of like clips into place. That's perfect for me right there. So we're gonna just let it drop in there. We're gonna bring it over, and look, there's a line right there also clipping it right into that. It's perfect. Like it's like meant for it. So you can leave it here, or you can just bring it up into it. I like to bring it up into it just because I don't know, it just makes it look nicer. Anyways, let's check it out. Let's check it out, see how it goes. Oh, alright. See, there it is. Perfect, right? So now we can just click onto here, right? And if we want to turn down the volume a little bit, which I also like to do because it gets kind of loud, we can just turn down the volume. I go to 8 for me, because just for this video at least, because that's fine. Let's go to 8 right there. -8 for me, because that was just fine for the video, for this video. So now let's go through. Oh, alright, cool. See? So there you guys go. Super simple, super easy. If you guys have any other suggestions that you want me to do, like, or maybe like better things that I can do for my channel, or in Davinci Resolve, something that you want to see that you haven't seen before, just let me know and I can do it for you guys. I thank you once again to my new subscribers, and thank you to all my followers also. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the views, and I love you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a great day.